There are lots of ways to live, busy ways, and plenty of people love the buzz and the pace, the roar of the crowds and the opportunity that cities present. In some ways, it's electric. It never sleeps. But not here. Here, we've chosen to set a different type of pace. A pace that our hearts can keep up with. A pace intentionally set with beauty and space. Ours is a life of small treasures. Treasures like waking up before the sun, in a bed shared with the man that I love the most in the world. Maybe, just for a moment, we can stop the noise. By choice, or default, or necessity, your morning may be far from as peaceful as you'd hoped it would be. But maybe, perhaps, the chaos grades on your soul, and just for a morning, you need to escape. Why don't you come on over to my home? I think it's a lie when we believe that the way that it is the way that it's always going to be. Like somehow the dread of taking on another day leaves us with no options. And in such moments, I like to first look to the small gifts that we have right now. The feel of a towel against your clean face, warm water, a bit of freshening up to approach the day with cleanliness and beauty, still moving slow enough to take notice of all these little treasures along the way. Have you thought about your life looking different? What would that be? That is to say, do you have hope that such pieces of a life are possible? Not because it all works out perfectly, or cleanly lined, or executed with perfection, but because somehow your life is more reflective of what you think is beautiful and true and good. I asked myself this, and that's how we're here.
Oh, what a good boy. Birdie has a lot of favorite times a day, but feeding time is most certainly one of them because he knows what's coming. Maeve dog food is his absolute favorite. If you've been around our channel for a while, you know that we put a ton of effort into growing ourselves good, wholesome food, and we want to do the same for our animals. I know, I'm sorry, I'm teasing you. We want to do the same for our animals, which is why I am so glad that companies like Maeve exist. Maeve is a human-grade protein with organ meats and produce and supplements that's flash frozen. It's made with super high-quality ingredients and is raw, which is really important because dogs are meant to have a raw food diet, one that is natural and simple and reflective of what they would actually eat without any fillers or processing. Right now, you can get 20% off your first order with Maeve using our last name, the code Elliot. I'm going to put the details below the video. I'd highly encourage you to check out Maeve. It's a fantastic product and your dogs will love it.
Our happiest of times come when we're able to feel connected to the life that we've intentionally chosen. For us at the cottage, this means being connected to the bounty and the offerings of the season. And in late summer, it's baskets full of ripe tomatoes and grapes. It's that beautiful August lighting, crusty corners of life, and overgrown gardens. It's freedom to explore and play in the moment. Here, not much thought is given to traffic jams or crowds. Our thrill comes from pushing forward into beautiful moments, knowing that we've said, yes, please, more of this. I've worked jobs where I've been required to rush off in fancy clothes and to spend the day sitting at a desk, feeling the tick of the clock as if it was as heavy as lead. I felt like my life was just slipping through my fingertips. Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, over and over and over again. But I'm glad to know what I'm opting out of, what I'm saying no to, so that I can say yes to something else. I have lots of friends who love this sort of structure and security, but I found it quite suffocating. This life, the one of creation and scruffy edges, and perhaps a bit more uncertainty, seems to be, for us, a better fit. Life is hardly a one-size-fits-all. Your life is going to look different than mine. You might take delight in different sorts of treasures. And I think that's exactly the point. Surrounding yourself with the right sorts of things for you to thrive. Our life means that we can tuck into late summer meals together. Here, we live life amongst the warmth of squishy cheeks and Parmesan cheese. Here, I'm not fighting my way to be somebody. I just am. I'm here in this wonderful moment, in this wonderful season, in this wonderful life. Cheers.
What is it?